Hi guys, it's Randy with the Booty Eye. And if you're looking for a very pretty, nice carry-on backpack, you want to check then the Lapsouno carry-on backpack. This is the one that I got and it's the extra large. So this is 17.3 inches. And I really like this backpack. I like the color and I like everything that it comes with. It comes with a USB charger. This is a USB port right in the side. It comes with this secure both sides. This is the size. You can see how much space you have. There's a lot of space in here. It also has some other features like an inside pocket. You can put your computer in here. This is very nice because you can put your keys right here. You won't get lost. You're gonna have it. So I like this one because this is for your keys. So I really like this backpack. I really like it. And this is for my trips. I just love it. I hope you do as well. But that's just my point of view.